In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Notion page to another account. Whether you're collaborating with a colleague or simply moving your own content, the process is straightforward, so let's get started. First, you need to open the Notion page that you want to transfer. This is your starting point. Whether it's a personal project or a work document, make sure it's the correct page, as this is what you'll be transferring to another account. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Share button. Clicking on this button reveals the sharing options for your page. This step is crucial as it will enable us to change the settings that allow access to another user. Before we proceed, it's important to ensure that the Share to Web feature is turned off. You don't want the page to be publicly accessible. By turning this off, you're keeping the information private and secure as you transfer ownership. Once you've made sure that the page is not shared to the web, click the Invite button. This will allow you to share the page directly with specific people rather than the public at large. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with the Notion account to which you want to transfer the page. Be sure to double-check that the email address is correct. Otherwise, the transfer won't go through smoothly. After entering the email address, the next step is critical. You need to give the new account full access permission. This permission level is necessary because it allows the new account to make changes to the page, just like the original owner. Without full access, the new account wouldn't have the ability to duplicate or edit the content on their account fully. Once you've set the permission, you'll want to log into the other Notion account, the one you've transferred access to. You can do this by either signing out of your current session or opening a new window or browser for convenience. After logging into the new account, navigate to the Shared section in the sidebar. Here, you should see the page that has been shared with the account. Open the page to make sure everything is in order and appears as it should. Finally, to complete the transfer, locate the menu at the top right of the page. Click on it and choose Duplicate. This action duplicates the page onto your new account, effectively transferring ownership while maintaining the original in the initial account. And there you have it. Now the page is securely transferred to a new Notion account with all its privileges intact. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your Notion workspace efficiently.